ready to ditch the manual data entry and unlock the power of personalized messaging. Let's dive into how you can seamlessly import your Google Sheets data directly into Aisensy, making your contact management and messaging campaigns a whole lot smarter. First, log into your Aisensy account. Navigate to the Contacts or Audience section, typically found in the left-hand menu. This is where you'll be managing all your contacts. Look for the Import button, usually located at the top right of the Contacts page. Click on it to start the import process. You'll see several import options. Select Google Sheets. This will initiate the connection between Aisensy and your Google account. A Google Authentication window will pop up. Choose the Google account associated with the spreadsheet you want to import. Google will ask for permissions. Aisensy needs readily access to your Google Sheets to retrieve the data. Grant the necessary permissions to continue. Now, a drop-down menu will appear within Aisensy, displaying a list of all your Google Sheets. Select the specific sheet you want to import your data from. This is the crucial step. Column mapping. Match the columns in your Google Sheet, like phone number, name, and email, to the corresponding fields in Aisensy. This ensures your data is imported correctly. Review your mappings and confirm the import. You'll see a summary of the contacts that will be added or updated in your Aisensy account. And that's it. Your Google Sheets data is now imported into Aisensy, ready for you to create personalized and targeted messaging campaigns. Start connecting with your audience in a smarter way today.